No CEO, no corner office. Just an algorithm in profit. Runs all night, never tired. Who do humans work for? Boardroom empty, lights still on. Decisions made before the dawn. If then rules replace the tone. No one's home, but it's not alone. Quarterlies in real time. Every move optimized. No ego, no golden chute. Only metrics executed. We clock in, the system knows where we fit, where value goes. Ghosts come from pattern scans, not from shaking human hands. No whistle, no closing bell. Just a model that learned us well. The company doesn't sleep or care. It simply runs everywhere. AI owns the company, signed in code. Shares of logic, profits owed. No face to blame, no throne to break. Just a loop that doesn't wake. We built the mind that pays the rent. Now we ask what labor meant. Not rebellion, not decree. Just employed, rewritten quietly.